Hello, my dear children. How are you all doing? So, we all enjoyed Thrilling Thursday today, and now it is time to enjoy a fantastic Friday. Yes, my dear children, tomorrow it is a big celebration. Every second Sunday of the month of September, we celebrate Grandparents' Day, and tomorrow is the day to show all our love and respect to our grandparents. So we are going to begin our day with the morning song first, then we are going to thank God through our prayers, and then do some exercise and also some simple commands. And then we'll be getting involved in various activities to make their day, that is the Grandparents' Day. Right? So do join us. And yes, after the morning assembly, we have the EduMax class. In the EduMax class, as you all know, children, those who have registered for these classes, they join us to have lot more fun. And tomorrow my foundation children have their assessment. My Shem Prep junior children are going to revise all this from A to E, and my Shem Prep senior children are going to learn how to write the Vyanjan Gh. Gh se ghar. And yes, as you all know, these are the interactive live classes, and if you want your child to be registered for these classes, do click on the link or call us up on the numbers that we have shared in the chat box. And yes, in the evenings, we have the EduMax Plus for them. So EduMax Plus are the skill enhancement activities for the children. If you want your children's talent to be enhanced little more, you want them to grow and have fun also simultaneously, then do make them register for these classes. We have Be Creative in this. They are learning a lot of art and craft activities. We have Be Flexible, where they're learning various dance styles. We also have the talk show, and the talk show is really making them confident to speak before the audience, and they're also learning how to use the correct grammar for various conversations. And yes, we also have various life skills for them. They're learning cooking, they're learning how to manage their time, their things, and they're getting a lot more confident and independent also. So if you want your children to grow and learn and enjoy, so do register for both the lovely programs, that is the EduMax and the EduMax Plus. And we also have a lovely group for you to join and get all the resources free, that is the Telegram group. So if you wish, we have shared all the details in the chat box. Click on the links and get yourselves registered. So that's all for now. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.